RIMS Imphal na sinduna nga si tara mga suba Indian Organ Donation Day Thourang RIMS Hospital gi General OPD da pangthokre National Campaign Angdan Jivan Sanjivani Abhiyan gi sarukamoina Be a Lifesaver Plates to Donate Organ haiba thimda awareness program amadi poster campaign na chingba Thourang kaya su pangthoki Thourang aduga mari lenana RIMS Imphal gi Director Prof Sunil Kumar Sarmana India da organ donate tawbugi chang nembagi matang da paladuna India da miyoi million amagi manungda miyoi amadagi tana organ donate tauri thawai yaudraba miyoi amagi hakchangi indri kathoklambana miyoi nipan romgi thawai kanma ngamli hairaduna masigi matangda miyamda awareness piba mathau tai wafam aduga iroinana RIMS Hospital da atuba matamda eye bank ama hangdoknaba Thourang tauri haiki ngasigi Thourang aduda miyoi ani masagi organ donate taunaba wasak lawki loinana poster campaign da ahanba amadi ani suba takraba Manipur University of Culture gi mahiroi mathang setna Venice kaisam amasung Deepa Laishram amadi ahum suba mana fangkraba RIMS ki MBBS mahiroi Nilotpal Dasta selgi mana yauna atay saruk yakiba singda certificate yenthoki ngasigi Thourang aduga mari lenana RIMS ki transplant coordinator Laishram Monica na RIMS ta transplant tawkibada mai pakpa sing miyamda khanghanki
organ donation. When someone in our family start having a kidney failure, a heart failure, liver failure, we knowing that how important is this event. So we are preparing to educate ourselves and also educate the community. And I can feel that our students, especially the generations, especially 20 to 30 years range here, can play a very big role while sensitizing our public. And I'm very hopeful that very soon we are going to start the eye bank. The training has been done, the OTs have been made, and we are hopeful that in the next 2 or 3 months, we'll be starting our eye bank and transplantation on that will be done.